Hi, and welcome to another tutorial video from UK Leisure Living. Today I'm going to go through one of the Aspen spars and how to remove the filter and some other top tips and techniques. So, this is one of our Aspens, this is the Illusion Dynamic, and we have a larger filter housing on this one than a lot of people have on the standard model. This particular model has two pumps. Most traditional models have a single pump, so this is why the filter size is a little bit larger, but the principle is exactly the same. So, to remove the filter, we slide the front cover up and out. Sometimes you can get a bit stuck, and if it does, it's because the filter tray is just stopping it from coming off. So that comes off like so. Next we have the leaf tray catch, which is there to catch any large stuff that might float on the water so it doesn't get down into your pumps. So remove that. Next thing, we now have access to the filters just inside. So we turn them to the left and they simply come out. So when it comes to filter management, we recommend you clean them every week. So turn the spar off at the isolator switch, take them out, hose them down, put them back in. On a monthly basis, we recommend using either the instant filter clean or a cartridge cleaner, depending on how heavily soiled the filters are. One of the most important things with your filters is make sure you don't put them in too tight. So we're going to slide it in, we're going to go in on the side, we're going to drop down vertical, and we're going to go and tighten it back up. When it stops, just go back quarter of a turn. This will stop it getting stuck, and we have had them get stuck before. So just make sure you go back a little bit. They won't come out, but it just stops them getting stuck, and it stops a world of pain for you, the customer. Next thing, we're going to put the tray back in. On the side here, you've got some like chest of drawer runners. So if you get it wrong, this is going to float around and flap around. If you get it right, it's not going to go anywhere. It's sat in the chest of drawer runners. But finally, the front face. Remember, some people you might have a smaller one, but the same principle is exactly the same. Always make sure the flap's facing down. Put the flap inside the hole. Put the cover against the runners and the spar, and slowly slide it down. And that's it. That's your filter in a nutshell.